How to add announcement bar slider in Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. Then in the admin panel, click on edit theme. Click on app embeds. Here embed the app. Click it here and then click on save. Go back to the app and click on new announcement. Click it here. Here you can see top bottom bar. Click it here. We want to make announcement slider. So click it here. As you can see slider, here you can select the announcement display duration. Here you can change the animation direction. Here you can edit announcement 1 title. Here you can add the subheading as well, testing. As you can see, here you can add a coupon code as well, sale 20. Here you can upload the icon from here as well. If you want custom icon, you can simply upload it from your desktop or computer or laptop. If you don't want to add call to action button, you can simply click it here. If you want call to action button here in the announcement bar, you can also add it from here you can edit announcement 2. Similarly, you can add another announcement from here as well. If you want to remove an announcement, simply click it here, go to design. Here you can change the positioning. Here you can change the template from here as well. Here you can add the background image from here as well. If you want to change the font, you can change the font as well. You can customize it according to your requirements. Then go to placement. Here you can select for every page, for home page only, for all products page, for all products in specific collection. We want to add for home page only and then click on publish. As you can see, the announcement bar is live. So this is it for this video. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.